rains, road waterlogged, railway tracks submerged. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Sonia Gadraj back again with the big news. Heavy rains have been lashing Mumbai since early morning on Wednesday as the southeast Mumbai and monsoon set in the financial capital. Monsoon has arrived in Mumbai today. Normal arrival date is June 10th of every year, so it has arrived prior to the average arrival date, said Dr. Jayatin Sarkar, Deputy Director General DDG, IMD Mumbai. Due to its effect, waterlogging was reported in some low-lying areas, while routes of some best buses run the city's civic body transport wing were diverted. In addition to this, local train services between Kurla and CSMT were halted as water is flowing over the tracks between Kurla and Sion station. Mumbai local train services, Kurla and CSMT halted as water is flowing over the tracks. Traffic stopped at 9:50 a.m. The decision taken as the precautionary measure to avoid any unwanted incident. Traffic will resume as soon as the water records, said Central Railway CPRO. Further, train services on the harbour line between the CSMT and Vashi have also been suspended since 10:20 a.m. onwards. Trains are not running between CSMT and Thane too. The Regional Meteorological Center in Mumbai has issued a water warning from the next 5 days in Maharashtra. The Indian Meteorological Department (MD) also forecasted heavy rainfall in the Konkan region, including Mumbai metropolitan region, for a period of 4 days. A high tide of over 4 meters is expected around the noon in the Arabian Sea, the municipal corporation said. The IMD on Saturday confirmed the arrival of the southeast monsoon in Maharashtra as it reached Haryana in the coastal Ratnagiri district. But despite favorable conditions, the monsoon further progress seemed to be slow.